I'm here to start replacing the fuel pressure regulator, and I get this thing disconnected, and of course I thought that the issue I had was the seal being damaged or just old. And here's a look at the seal. So looks like I was right about that. Almost looks like somebody chewed on it, but yeah. Nonetheless, I'm replacing it with this billet fuel pressure regulator. This is the billet fuel pressure regulator that I'm replacing it with. It's just a little different. I mean, I don't think it can make a difference, but I could be wrong. I think this is a Bosch. Yeah, this is a Bosch fuel pressure regulator. Oh. All right, so I just finished getting this thing on. I think it's pretty clean looking. Hold on, let me get this thing turned off. Of course, I gotta get the fuel pressure set, and this thing is kind of high, so I'm not real sure what to expect as far as where it's at. Hold this right quick. So I gotta check my oil because I'd like to say it was an oil leak, but it wasn't. When I put my new turbo on, I actually didn't connect the feed line. So guess what happened with my oil? It shot all over the place. And I got enough to safely run it. It looked like there was a lot more oil on the ground, but it's not. I guess it's not too bad if it's still sitting on a dipstick. Yeah. Yeah, I can start it up. Stop it. So guys, yeah, so one of the things I learned is put a little grease on the sealant, on the seal before you put your regulator back in. That's kind of what happened to my old one. Is even though I didn't pull it all the way off, it was pulled off enough to where when I went to tighten the regulator back up, it pinched and damaged the seal. All right, so I'm gonna reconnect my battery ground, and then I'm gonna start it up. Oh, sorry, Chase. All right, up. I'm running over my film guys. My 12-year-old son, who would not be driving the Grand National. You will not be driving it, son.
Oh, I got it.
There you go. I'm just kidding. He might be, but
I would go drive.
You know how much power this thing has?
900?
No, I don't know.
600 maybe.
Nah, probably not that much.
So no.
It may have 200 horsepower. All right. Let's crank it up and see what we got, guys. So, Chase, what I'm going to do is crank it up, and then I'm going to come around here to actually adjust my fuel pressure. Oh, crap, I can't adjust my fuel pressure.
All right.
Oh, yeah, I can.
I'm still recording.
Yeah, you're recording.
All right. You need to move this light out the way?
No.
All right. Let's see if it
she sound?
Good.
She sounded real good, y'all. So I still got a little bit of puff back here. I don't know if that's normal or not. Is this normal, guys? It's been a long time. Seeing one of these run. Thank you. Oh yeah, she's leaking big time. So I got another turbo line on the way to replace that guy's actual Grand National line. Oh man. But yeah, so this is where we're at, guys. Got the fuel pressure regulator installed. Actually the last time I ran the car, it was running so terrible that I just had to shut it off. But she's running like a new car now. She's actually running real good. Real good. What you think, Chase?
I'm speechless. You know, at first when you got it, I didn't think that you'll be able to like fix it until like 4 or 5 months later. It's running, you know.
Would you say it's fixed?
Mm-hmm.
You think this car is ever gonna be as cool as one of the Teslas?
Mm-hmm.
Think so?
Possibly faster.
Think it's gonna be faster? Cool? As cool? Mm-hmm. All right, y'all.